what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another makeup tutorial. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I filmed my go-to glam look today. I feel like this is perfect for any occasion. I do this normally when I have a special occasion, like a family event, maybe a wedding, maybe a friend's party, a brunch, any occasion. This is my go-to glam look. So I'm the girl that likes to keep it very simple but very glam at the same time. So I did this neutral eyeshadow look. It's like a bronze gold look paired with a nude lip. I love nude lips. I feel like it goes perfect with anything, so I am a ride or die for nude lips. Alright guys, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching and let's just jump right into this video. Alright guys, so I already did my brows off camera because since it is my go-to glam, I just want to focus on my eyeshadow and the rest of my face. So for today's look, I'm going to be using this Morphe 25A Copper Spice palette. I literally use this palette for everything whenever I don't know what to do with my eyeshadow. Whenever I'm going to an event, family event, I bring this on vacation with me to a friend's house if I know I'm going out. I literally use this palette all the time. Because look at the shades in this palette. I feel like you can do anything with this palette. So this is like my go-to palette. And it's not too big. And it's like the perfect travel size to bring anywhere with you. I don't know. I love this palette. I feel like you can do anything with it. But yeah guys, let's just get started. I'm gonna prime my eyes with some concealer now. Okay, so now that my eyes are primed, I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this shade right here and apply that all over my crease as my transition shade. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this shade right here and just build up the color on my crease. Alright, so next I'm taking this shade right here on this flat brush and I'm gonna apply that to my outer V. Okay, so next I'm taking this shade right here and I'm gonna apply that to my lid. Alright, so now I'm going back in with the same shade and I'm gonna apply that to my outer V again and just blend everything together so that there's no harsh lines. Alright guys, I'm gonna be taking my NYX matte liner and winging it out. Why am I always dropping something? Now I'm gonna apply my lashes. Today I'm gonna be using the Lily lashes in the style LA. This is actually my first time trying these lashes, so let's see how they look. So I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm actually shook at how bomb these lashes look. They look so good. I'm obsessed right now. I'm gonna go back in with the makeup wipe and just clean all that fallout under my eyes. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and finish off the rest of my face. So today I'm gonna be using the Silk Canvas Primer from Tatcha. I've really been liking this primer. I got this primer in the trial size because I just wanted to try it out, but I really like it. And I think I'm just gonna get the bigger size. Okay, face is primed. So for foundation, today I'm gonna be using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna be taking the Benefit Cakeless Concealer. Alright, now I'm just gonna be taking a darker foundation and warming up my face. Okay, so now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty setting powder and setting my under eyes. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm going to be taking my Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. Okay, so for blush today, you already know what I'm going to use. I'm going to use my Milani... Jeez. I'm going to use my Milani blush, my favorite blush ever. Okay, so before I do anything else, I'm gonna go back in with my eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna be smoking out my under eyes. Alright, so I'm gonna be taking this shade right here and just smoking out my lower lash line. So next I'm gonna be taking the darkest shade that I applied on my eye and taking a more precise brush and really focusing that on my lower lash line. Alright, so now that I did that, I'm going to take some highlighter now. I'm going to be taking my MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. So now I'm going to be taking this Jeffree Star setting spray from Morphe and spraying my face. It smells so good. It smells like strawberry. And I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and just pressing that into my skin. Okay, so I'm almost done. I just need my lips now. And for lips, my go-to glam lip is always a nude lip. I feel like you can never go wrong with the nude lip. So for today, I'm going to be using this Dolce K lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics. Okay, and now for the center of my lips, I'm going to be taking this Kylie gloss in the shade Literally. I love this gloss. This is like my go-to gloss. I think this is still available at Ulta. I'm not really sure, but if it is, you should go get it. It's like the perfect nude gloss. I can't believe I almost forgot this. I'm gonna apply some mascara to my lower lashes, and this is the L'Oreal Telescopic. This is my favorite mascara ever. So yeah. Alright guys, this is the final look right here. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Comment below if you like this look or any suggestions for what you want to see on my channel or my next video. But yeah, you guys, don't forget to share with your friends, with your mom, your grandma, your sister, your brother. Tell them to subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, I hope to see you all in my next video very soon. Bye guys. Is that good? I hope that's good. Got this look, then please keep watching. Oh my god, there's hair in my face. Oh my god, there's hair in my face. I really like my sweater. Like, I'm feeling the vibe. Okay, I need to stop right now.